As this drone is equipped with anti-personnel grenades, it should have very limited capability to damage a tank like this T-72B3, as seen when this Ukrainian drone operator just misses an open hatch. But as Russia's training has to include leaving as many hatches open when abandoning the vehicle, the drone operator's aim was better the second time, causing the grenade to ignite the ammunition, leading to an ammunition cook-off in the tank, destroying everything inside, turning the tank into scrap metal, destroying another of Russia's tank, reducing Russia's tank force, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.